過撒種，主要因為行真理。等於一個農夫種1畝田同種10畝田用嘅力都唔同噶嘛。其實信心就係咁啊。而家我哋慢慢 get 到咁多富足，唯有喺真理上懂得按分比例去撒種，咁確保個祝福嘅餅咧係唔會細嘅，同埋亦確保咧對撒種嘅信心係 constantly 係冇放鬆嘅，咁先使到一生嘅所有嘢咧係可以接棒咁樣收割。
River of warmth flows into my heart. Your voice of reason sees me through the dark. Deep inside I'm changing, breaking free. No more comfort zones. You're awakening me. Stepping out into the light. No more hiding. Though it hurts my eyes, I am blinded no more.
弟兄姊妹，其實信心一路大緊噶，嗰種係有少少唔係自願，但係被逼咁咯。有陣時就會儲糧，有陣時又要大旅行。其實唔係我想佢哋咁，係神要佢哋嘅信心一路 increase。佢唔 increase 咗邊有資格 get 到一次比一次大嘅 harvest 啊？咁但係我身為領袖，我梗係知呢樣重要性，所以係我對自己嘅 demand，所以我咪永遠都可以呢度人咯，因為我係自動自覺自發去做啊嘛。
No gaps, no gaps. I practice what is true. No gaps, no gaps. Unyielding faith in you. Constant harvest pouring into my life. No gaps, no gaps. I'm ready for the fight. Hear the chains, they clatter, they fall right onto the ground. It's the sweetest sound. No gaps, no gaps. I'm answering your call.